This is Penny from Penny's Infinite Jewelry. And today we have a blue box clothing lot to open. I think there's supposed to be 12 shirts in here, and I cannot off the bat remember how much it was. It was probably like $25 or something like that. But let me tell you what a Goodwill BlueBox is. Every single Friday night, it's 6 o'clock my time in Florida. So the times are different. It's 3 for some people. At exactly 6 o'clock, all these amazing offers open up. Legos, watches, plush animals, jeans, clothing. I mean, it's just vintage items. And all these open up right at 6 o'clock, and jewelry. That's what the jewelry group I'm in, that's what we like to get. But let me tell you what happened last Friday. I had everything ready, had my credit card in there already. Well, you can't put your credit card, can't do anything until 6 o'clock. You better be already logged in, and you better be ready to add it to your card, and you better be ready to pay. Because 1 minute after 6, they're gone in 59 seconds. 60 seconds, hold on. 60 seconds. Everything is mainly sold out. Like, the jeans will last a little longer, and the clothing will last longer, but the jewelry is gone. And so for the last 2 weeks, I didn't get one. And of course, like everyone else, we're sitting there waiting. We're ready to, at 6 o'clock, like, I am so excited on Fridays. And then we don't get one, and we pitch a fit. So this week, it kept asking me to enter this code. And I'm like, oh, dear Lord, I've got to get this box. And it kept saying, please enter this code. Well, it took, by the time I put my 2 boxes in there and I entered the code, sold out while they were in my cart. They will sell out in your cart. So I went back over there real quick. I said, darn it, I'm going to get something. And so I tried to get the jeans lot, sold out. Tried to get the large, because I wear large, extra large clothes. I tried to get the large clothing box, sold out. I said, and I didn't realize I had put clicked the small one. And when I went to go check out, it was still available. So I said, you know what? I'm paying for this, and we're going to get it. I'm going to open it on my channel. I have never, ever received a Goodwill BlueBox clothing lot. And this is supposed to be, I think, women's clothing, size small. I've not opened this. I'm super excited. We're going to do this together. Okay, so I'm going to, hopefully can open this without scissors. Let me see, the bottom looks like it's a lot easier. So let's go to the bottom. Let's do it backwards. That's okay with me. All right, so I'll show you what it looks like so far. This is what it looks like. It's a bunch of shirts or something. And I've got to be able to make, I think it was 25, 30 bucks or something out of these 12 items. So let's look at this together. And I opened it from the bottom, so I don't even know what the top had on it. But let's look at this. Okay, so I'll have to put on my old lady's glasses. And if you're wondering why my gray's there, I am doing the Embrace the Gray. I'm trying to grow my gray out. So on this channel, you will watch the transformation of my gray growing. So this is American Eagle. This is super cute. It's long sleeve. It's thin, so it can be worn in the spring. It's got all the buttons. It's clean. It smells really good. So this is the first item up. I could probably put this up for $15, maybe $10, $15. I see new with tags. $21.99 tags, and it is a Christopher & Banks. But what is it? Let's see. It's a brand new Layer Your Look small Christopher & Banks shirt. That is amazing. And if this would have been the large lot, this big old chunky woman would have been happy. But this is amazing. So maybe 15, there's 30. So we've got our money back. This looks like a sport shirt. It is it Under Armour Heat Gear. I think it's Under Armour. Yeah, Under Armour. That is so cool. My daughter's going to take that because she's lost a lot of weight and she loves her workout stuff. Or Mama's just going to sell it. So 15 bucks. All right, 10, 15 bucks on them shirts. Let me see what else we got. Croft and Borrow. Really nice. It's a really nice shirt. I mean, on eBay, I could start this even at an auction if I wanted to. But really, I'm probably just going to put these all up for like $10, $15 a piece, or $12.95 plus shipping. Let's see what else is up. And these are all small. Tonight I'd love to snag a large one. Jones of New York. Now I cannot take pictures of white things very well, but that is a super duper nice shirt. And bonus hair. Okay, let's see. 12 shirts. They're probably like $2.50 a piece. I think I'm selling. You can't even get a shirt for $2.50 at the Goodwill. You go to the Goodwill and everything is like $4.50, $4.99 a piece. And then if it's got a name brand on it, they jack the price up. So this is pretty cool. Let me see what I got. Oh, this feels nice. Calvin Klein. That, my dear, was worth the money. Because that is a very nice, bright for the spring. You could even use one of my scarves. I'm fixing to have like 70 scarves in my store. I bought 3 Thredup scarf boxes. I still got one coming, and we'll open that one on here. So this is really nice. Let me see. I was afraid they would just stick junk in here. Christopher and Banks. That's not bad. It's got like I don't know what you call that, ruching or what that is, but that's really pretty. That'd be a pretty business shirt with any kind of skirt. Now this one does not tickle my fancy. Sonoma. I don't know if I like that, but you know what I'd want to do to that? I'd want to upcycle it. People are loving the splotchy, bleachy stuff on their shirts. But that's not bad. I'll still sell that. So even if I got $10 a piece out of these, they're 100. That'd be 120. We'll count them first. Like 120, 140 bucks. Rebecca Malone. Never heard of her, but that's a really nice shirt. Rebecca Malone. Size small. With paisley. It looks like a paisley thing. Okay. Up next is Cynthia Rawling, and it's a very thin. Oh, but look, it's got a peplum bottom. I was thinking, oh, that's just going to be boring. But, you know, that would be so cute even with a pair of jeans. Or you can even put a red scarf with that, make your red accessories. Or you can wear it with a pair of black slacks, with a pair of stiletto shoes or something, and look cute. All right. And here I am just in my t-shirts because I had ankle surgery, and I have been in bed for 3 weeks. Red. I don't know what that is. I've never heard of that, but it feels really nice. It's a sweater. It's a nice, nice sweater. Really nice. Like, that feels... Look at the stretch in this sweater. So, you know what? This feels cashmere. I'm going to go see. This feels like cashmere. I'm fixing to go see. Let's go see. Rayon. Rayon and polyester and nylon. But I'll have to look up the RN numbers. Now, if you're selling clothing on eBay, Mercari, if you haven't tried Mercari, you really need to do that because I'm making most of my sales on eBay and Mercari, not Poshmark, but I'll get these up over there as well. But if you'll put in the RN number, when people are searching for that RN number, then your item will come up. See, the RN number is 105140. I'll have to look up this brand. It's called Red. But that feels amazing. I'll have to get my sweater shaver a little bit with it. What is this? And the box is empty. Okay, so I need to get this stuff in my store. Don't sit there and hold on to it. Oh, that's cute. Worthington size 4 skirt. And I think that's cute. That would even be cute with either, not that one, either the red shirt. It would be cute with either the white shirt, or this would have been my pick, the black shirt. And then you could even, let me see. Here's the black shirt. Here's the skirt. And look, you could even go get you, I'm fixing to put a solid red scarf in my store. So let's count the pieces. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So that is a blue box women's clothing lot, size small. Honestly, I think it's amazing. I would love to snag the box and the jewelry tonight. That's what I'm hoping to get, but we will see. I'm excited. And after tonight, my next video, I will have to let you know if I snag the blue box. Up next is going to be, I have a Facebook Marketplace haul. There was a listing for my mother's relatives' 1960-70 jewelry and new jewelry. And it was a lot because the guy did not want to ship it, which he only lived 45 minutes from here. My daughter lives in that town. So I was haggling back and with, on the messenger for a whole week. And I finally got him down to 145. Actually, I offered him 100 because I didn't know what it was. And then he wrote me, he said, well, someone's offered 140. I said 145. He said, you got it. So it was a lot. Like, I have little containers with jewelry in there and old bobby pins. Let me show you this. Oh, bobby pins. And someone told me that I could probably sell these for a lot of money. There's still bobby pins in there. Because even like these Hollywood studio movies and stuff that want to set things back in the 50s and 60s, they have to have, merchandise around like that. So I'm going to do a haul on the Facebook Marketplace. I may do some of that now after this video. And that's going to be a lot of different segments because it is a lot of stuff. Like, there's a white tote with drawers, slap fold. There's totes with little containers with jewelry. There's, like I said, the little containers with everything individual. And I tried to do a video yesterday, and let's just say it didn't work out. I let my daughter edit it, and she had cut out half of it or had me looking and sounding like Tyler Perry at points. Anyhow, I'm like, yeah, I don't want, this was not supposed to be crazy video, even though I am a little crazy, and I like to have a lot of fun, but I don't want to look stupid. Can you look stupid? Yeah, I think you can. All right, this is Penny, and this was a Thredup clothing haul, and let's just hope I get something tonight to do a video. And I'm really thinking about going on the Goodwill, shop my Goodwill, and buy something so I can show you some merchandise from there. But I've had really good sales this week. I sold one pair of earrings for $75. I sold a bundle of 2 bracelets for $60. One of them was vintage. I sold a hemalite necklace with a horns tooth for $15 this week. So, I mean, and I sold a little jewelry holder today. I want to really get down to doing just everything jewelry, like find jewelry boxes and do all that. But I have a Pinterest now, and it's Penny's Infinite Jewelry. And on there, I'm going to have maker's marks and everything. And I just learned about Black Hill Gold. I've been really watching and reading about that because I'm an inquiry mind. All right. Thank you. I love you. Please subscribe, like, and share.